Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you if you cannot see the other device in AirDrop. So first of all, click on Apple icon and then System Preferences, and after that you're going to click Privacy and Security. Alright, then click on Firewall and Firewall Options, and right after you can see Block All Incoming Connections. So here we need to make sure we have unchecked Block All Incoming Connections, is because if we have it on, then the firewall will block all sharing services such as file sharing, screen sharing. So therefore, we need to turn that option off. So in the next stage, we need to make sure we have turned on Bluetooth option, and you just leave that option on. So do not connect to any other devices. So in my case, as you can see, not connected. So I have two devices and they are not connected to my Mac. So additionally, we need to also make sure both devices, in this case iPhone and Mac, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So remember, these are the checklist to solve our problem. So this is why we are just checking each of the options that we need to make sure that they are all correctly set. So now let's open up the AirDrop window. So in this window, you will have the option called Allow me to be discovered by everyone. So that's it from the Mac side. Now we're gonna move on to the mobile phone side. So now I'm gonna show you the quickest way. So this is how you do it, and if you press a little longer, then it will pop up a new window, and here you can see airplane mode. So if you have it on, then nothing is gonna work. So turn it off. Right after, you have personal hotspot, which must be off. So once that is off, then you need to make sure Bluetooth is on, and then Wi-Fi is connected to the same network where my Mac is connected to, and AirDrop, you choose everyone here. So on the screen, as you can see, my Wi-Fi is not connected to anything. It's because my internet connection was interrupted. So I needed to restart the router to get the connection back. So we have seen the quickest way to do it, and now we're gonna check the alternative way. So here, click on settings and then check all the options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection, hotspot, and airplane mode. So here you can see Bluetooth not connected to anything. This is how it should be. And then personal hotspot should not be connected to anything. It should be off completely. And AirDrop should be everyone, as we have seen before. As you can see on the screen, I'm still not connected to the internet. So I just restarted the router. So let's see if I try to connect again to my Wi-Fi, will I be connected? Let's see if that works. So if I get connected to the Wi-Fi, then I'm all set. So let's see if that works. It seems like I'm not connected yet, unable to join the network. So we're gonna try again and let's see what happens. So I'm gonna try again if I get connected to the Wi-Fi. I get connected now. So we should be all set. I forgot to mention that both devices, in this case phone and the laptop, should be within 30 feet, or I think which is equivalent to 9 meters or something. I took this picture yesterday, so let's share this picture from my phone to laptop. So as you can see, my Mac is actually discovered by AirDrop. So it has also popped up. So we're gonna accept it. So once we accept, we can open in photos or we can save it to downloads. So in my case, I'm gonna save it to downloads and then open up the file. So let's open up the file, and this is the picture. We just transferred from phone to laptop. Excellent. So if all the things that we have just done doesn't work, you can restart the laptop, and you can also go for restarting the phone as well. In most cases, you do not have to restart anything, but in the worst case scenario, you just go for the restart. You can go for the hard restart or normal restart. So if you go for the hard restart, hold on for 30 seconds and that should be enough. So thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one. Stay safe, people. Cheers.